I know what you're thinking. Does waxing your arm hurt as much as people think it does? Well, I want to find out together right now. I'm going to be waxing my arm today and I'll show you guys the process. I hope I don't regret this. I'm going to be using my Stress Wellness Wax that you can get on Amazon for under $50. So let me know in the comments if you've tried their products before and let me know your experience. So this is what I'm going to be using to wax my arm today. Before I move on, we're going to start by prepping the skin. This is the pre-wax spray right here from Stress Wellness, and I'm going to be using this. This came in the kit as well for under $50. I'm going to be using this to prep my arm. The hair is not so much because I don't like hair on my body, so I try as much as possible to wax myself so often. So the hair is not so much at all. I will just wipe it off right now. Okay. So I've cleaned my arm now, and this is the hair. This is the hair. Even when you're waxing someone else, you have to test if it's hot or not. So I'll take a little bit, apply it at the back of my hand. It's not so bad, honestly. Now I can go ahead to apply my wax as normal. This is how I do it. I let it rest on my skin, then slide down. Look at that. See how long that is? I go over it again just to make sure that the grip is strong. Okay, I hope I don't regret this, guys. I'm actually scared. I'm not even gonna lie. It dries up very, very quickly. Oh my god, I think this is gonna hurt. Oh, okay, okay. I didn't get it. I think I'm nervous. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Look at the hair. So gross. Ugh. Okay. Look at the smoothness. Look at how smooth my skin is. Gross. The pain level is like 5. It's not even that bad. So I just apply straight. It dries up very, very quickly. You're going to drop everything on your skin like that. Then you're going to apply, but don't waste too much time, because if you do, the wax is going to dry up on one spot and you don't want that. And I'm just going to remove. Yes, look at how smooth it is. Oh, oh, guys, this is actually not even bad. Oh, okay. We're done with this. I feel like a dolphin right now. After wax spray, and you're gonna spray all over the area. Okay, and I'll use to wipe down. Look at that. Oh my god. Don't forget you can shop this on Amazon for under $50. Okay. It comes as a complete set for you to use as a beginner. You're not going to need anything outside that box. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It seems for its second, but it's worth it. Trust me. Let me know if you're going to try this product. It's so good, beginner friendly. You will love it. Bye.